Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge a Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. This will be a super easy tutorial, but also complete tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be showing you how to charge the electric toothbrush, but I'll also be showing you how to judge the battery level of the electric toothbrush, and then also some tips if it sort of is not charging for you. So let's get right into the video. First and foremost, how to charge the electric toothbrush. So I'm going to lift this off of the charger right here. This is the charger. There's one, in the kit that I got, there's one basic charger, and there's one other charger that comes with like this UV sanitizing station. This is just the basic charger because it's smaller, so it's a little bit easier to fit on the video frame. Now essentially you want to take your toothbrush and you want to place it on top of the charger and listen for some beeps, and you'll even feel a slight vibration when it beeps. So listen closely. Perfect. So when you hear those beeps, that beep beep, that means it's charging. I'll do that one more time so you can hear. Okay, one last time so you can hear what it sounds like. Now, as an added bonus, I keep my hand on the toothbrush so I can feel the slight vibration when I hear those beeps. Now, I don't know if that's a vibration or if that's just a byproduct of the beeping of the actual audio vibrating in there. Either way, that's how to charge the toothbrush. Now, when you remove it from the charger, you can take a look at the battery light down there. The battery light is going to illuminate a certain color. If it is a solid green light, that means the battery is fully charged or has a very high charge level. If the battery light is flashing green, as you can see right here, and it looks like it's flashing on camera, but it's really just like going like nice and smoothly, like almost like a snooze type of intermittent flashing. So it's only flashing like that on the camera because I think of the frame rate. But essentially, that means that the battery has a medium charge. And if it's flashing amber, okay, and also you hear a beep or a couple of beeps, that means the battery is a low charge. So because it's flashing green, that means it's a medium charge, okay? Very, very simple bonus tip, okay? Now, if you can't get your toothbrush to charge, a few things you can quickly check. First and foremost, make sure this is plugged in properly to an electrical outlet. Make sure that outlet works. Make sure the wire is okay. Make sure everything's okay with the charger. And if you have two chargers, try with a different charger as well. The next thing you can check is inside the underside of the toothbrush. This is where it actually connects to the charger. Make sure there's no debris. If it doesn't get fully on there, then it won't charge as consistently. Like I can just hover it over there and it's still going to charge. If you listen closely, okay, it's not fully down, but it's still charging. But it won't do it as consistently. It might go off and on, blah, 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 and yours might not work that well, okay? So with that being said, make sure there's nothing obstructing and make sure the charger's in good condition. Make sure the wiring's in good condition. Make sure the wiring is in good condition. Wow, I can't even speak. I need some water. Make sure the wiring is in good condition, and also make sure that there's power to the outlet, because sometimes you plug it into the outlet and there is no power going to the outlet. So yeah, that's it. So once again, just to clarify with a little bit of more clear language, because I was rushing that, make sure that there's nothing obstructing the toothbrush charging port. Make sure there's nothing obstructing the actual plugged-in charging port. Make sure that the wire is in good condition. Make sure that it's actually plugged into the electrical outlet properly, and make sure that there's power going to the electrical outlet. If you've done all those things and it's still not charging, then try a different toothbrush, try a different charger. Just troubleshoot to see if it is the toothbrush or the charger. Now, the last thing I want to try is, will this charge if it is not plugged in sort of straight? If I go sideways, will it charge? Let's listen. Perfect. What about backwards? Excellent. What about this way? Perfect. And what about on an angle, let's say? Let's try that one more time because you couldn't really hear. Perfect. So I just wanted to try that out so we know that it charges in every direction. That's it. I wanted to go over how to charge it. But also, if yours is not charging, I want to go over what you can do to sort of try and fix the problem. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.